In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook application icon missing from the Windows taskbar. If Outlook seems to disappear from your taskbar, especially after you minimize the app, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple setting inside Outlook itself, and the fix only takes a moment. What you want to do first is locate the Outlook icon that is still active on your computer. In some cases, Outlook may still be running in the background, even though you can't clearly see it on the taskbar the way you normally would. Once you find the Outlook icon, go ahead and right-click on it. When the menu appears, look for an option called Hide when minimized. If this option is currently checked, that means Outlook is set to disappear from the taskbar whenever you minimize the window. Instead of staying visible like most apps, it gets tucked away, which can make it seem like the icon is missing. To fix the issue, simply click that option to uncheck Hide when minimized. As soon as you do that, Outlook should stop hiding itself when minimized, and the application icon should remain visible on the Windows taskbar as expected. This setting can be easy to turn on by accident. So, if the issue suddenly appeared and you weren't sure why, this is very likely the reason. Once it's unchecked, you should be able to minimize Outlook and still reopen it directly from the taskbar without any confusion. If you want to make sure the fix worked, just minimize Outlook after changing the setting and then look at the bottom of your screen. You should now see the Outlook icon sitting on the taskbar instead of disappearing. That's all you need to do. It's a very quick fix, but it can save a lot of frustration if you use Outlook regularly and want fast access to it throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.